Mastering Indirect Questions with can in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another video in our series on Mastering Conversational English. Today, we'll be delving into an exciting subtopic, indirect questions with modal verbs, focusing on the modal verb, can. Remember, indirect questions are polite and more formal than direct ones, so they're a must-have in your English toolkit. Let's jump right in. Before we tackle using can in indirect questions, let's first understand what indirect questions are. An indirect question is a question embedded within a statement or another question. They are a polite way to make an inquiry. For instance, instead of bluntly asking, "What time is it?" we can politely ask, "Could you tell me what time it is?" The boldness of a direct question gets softened here, don't you think? In English, can is one of the most versatile modal verbs, expressing ability, permission, requests, offers, and possibilities. When you say, "I can swim," you're talking about an ability. When you say, "Can I use your pen?" it's about seeking permission. Now, when we move on to indirect questions, can often transforms into more polite forms like could or might. Here are a few examples. Direct, "Can you help me with this?" Indirect, "I was wondering if you could help me with this." Direct, "Can I borrow your book?" Indirect, "Could I possibly borrow your book?" Remember, the aim of using indirect questions is to sound more polite, especially in formal settings. It's time for some practice. Try to convert these direct questions into indirect ones. 1. Can you give me a glass of water? 2. Can you tell me where the library is? 3. Can I have your number? Remember, practice makes perfect. You can pause the video here and try to answer these questions. Once you're ready, resume the video and we'll discuss the answers together. Note: provide correct answers and explanations here. That's it for today, folks. Remember, indirect questions are your best friend when it comes to politeness in English conversation. And don't forget to use the more formal versions of can when constructing these questions. Hopefully, this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use can in indirect questions. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video where we continue our journey of mastering conversational English. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.